Hey guys, thanks for checking out our Holden Captiva LTZ that we have here. This one is in stunning red and has got fantastic options like parking sensor, projector headlights, daytime running lights, pretty much unmarked through the Juco. Coming through down the side, it's in great condition, alloy wheels, side steps, keyless entry. Coming through inside, as you can see, it's got full leather trim, sunroof. Coming through into the back of the vehicle, same thing, you got the leather seats, and one of the great things on the Captiva is plenty of room through the third row seats. The trim in this car is in great condition. Coming through in the front, plenty of options as well. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, as you can see, doesn't have a tow bar fitted. It's got rear parking sensors, quick release rear seats, storage underneath here as well. So plenty of use for a family vehicle. LED tail lights, side steps, blind spot monitoring, and electric driver's seat. One of the great things is key can be just down here. Turn this lever here, keyless start. You've got all your electrics as well, blind spot monitoring, all your cruise control as well, backed up camera, and the Holden MyLink system. We look forward to speaking to you soon in regards to Holden Captiva.